Can you see me?
Nice.
Not clear.
Not.
Is the video playing or is
It's
it just checking there?
Checking there. I just see your mouth and nose.
You can't see the
Half of your nose.
but you can come a bit and show me. It's okay. It's okay. I want this part to be seen because that's the part I used to introduce the video. So can you see me? Half of my what?
Your face.
You can't see the face and now.
I can see one eye.
You watch a jokes. How can you see one eye and not the whole face? For real? And now?
2 eyes. 2 and a quarter. Not 2 and a half eyes.
So, you can post. Welcome guys. So we have 3 cups of Njahi or black beans. This is what I have just sorted out and I'm cleaning now so that we can be able to boil them. They take a very long time to boil, and if you would soak them before, they would really boil faster. So I'm making good use of my instant pot, and as usual I told you that I normally add a carrot so that it can take off the gas of from the legumes. Yeah, so I added 1 liter of water. I knew that I wanted to boil this like in 2 phases because that's what I normally do even with the other pressure cooker, because the black beans tend to be very bitter if you don't work on them well. So I picked the session where they will boil first for 30 minutes. Then I knew they would not have softened because I had not so we are using ripe plantain, unripe bananas, and 1 onion. The first step is to peel out your green bananas, and as you can see I'm using my gloves there because I don't want to get the sticky gum that comes from them. The other trick you can use is to oil your hands so that this does not become sticky on your fingers. So that's what I was doing here, just peeling them. Then after that they should be well cleaned, and my pot has started off the boiling process. I also peeled out the plantains. As you can see, the plantains are very easy to peel. You can use ripe bananas if you don't have plantains, but I think plantains, because they are naturally sweet and they are meant for cooking, they just give this Njahi Mukimo another different taste that is so nice. You just love it. It is such a delicacy that in my whole family everyone was just enjoying them, even the picky eater or someone who would not eat that much from a mash. So I normally slice the plantains into smaller slices so that just when the time comes for cooking, they cook faster. Prepare your onion like I did here so that we go. So this does not require spices or coriander, garam masala. Give them what? Today we are just natural. Today we are just trying to be just natural. This food is a traditional food, mainly originating from the Agikuyu, but it goes on to other people. So I'm boiling the unripe plantains first so that they are not plantains, these are just normal bananas that are unripe, so that they can cook, and they can only be useful to us once they cook well. So they will take about 10 minutes or thereof to cook and just soften. And at this stage, I'm just waiting for them to cook so that we can move to the next step. And you will see that they are quite soft at this point. Just take a Mukimo or test whether they can cut through easily, and that they were looking good, but I needed them to just soften a bit before I continue. So after that, I took oil because I want to fry the onion. Different people do this step separately, but personally, out of all the methods that I've tried, I'm giving you the best. So today is the best version of my Njahi Mukimo. So please take your onion, the oil, fry them, because after frying we are going to be adding in the ripe plantain so that they can be able to also cook a bit. They were not cooked. Remember, plantain must be cooked for them to release their sweetness and their softness. So here they are cooking. They cook pretty fast, and you can see they are changing that color. So once you're done mashing the bananas, so we've now combined the ripe and the unripe, it's time to mash up your njahis now, and they are cooked, they are soft. And what I did is I drained the water twice and returned them to boil afresh. Sorry, I lost that clip. I was not able to show it, but you just drain them, return them, boil them again so that you eliminate that dark color and the bitter taste that comes with them. So after the mashing has been done, it's now time to incorporate them so that they can be mashed together with the ripe bananas. And I tell you guys, this thing is so nice, it's so tasty. This is a meal I would recommend, especially if you've discovered in your family you are having too much wheat. This is a good substitute. It can be served with beef stew, chicken, or name it. It can be served with so many stews, and then it can also be eaten like that. It can be a breakfast. It is very versatile. And don't worry, because as I'm mixing this, the bananas bring in the wetness so that the njahi stops being that dry. I've added in margarine, not my preference, but today I didn't have butter. But you add in that margarine or the butter so that it gives it that buttery taste and a very lovely taste. If you can remember the days that Githeri and Blue Band were the goals of those ages. So I was born in that age. So this is the last plating. I've served it with cabbage that had beef in it, and this cabbage slaps. If you have not tried this, please let me know. I do for you a recipe, but it's so simple. An avocado for the day. I mean, what is this without an avocado? Thank you for watching.